And I was being told here, sadly, that in Kiambu, we are burying two people, two young men, every week. This is not acceptable. It must stop. Kanati gwatumia. The problem is the parents. The problem is the mother. The problem is the father. And the problem is the family. The problem is the society. The problem is the community. The problem is the nation. And therefore, I want to stand here as a mother of a nation and say, I'm very, very sorry. We didn't do the right thing, but we are going to do the right thing. That's why I'm standing here as a boy-child champion, because we didn't do what we needed to do at the right time. But it's never too late to do the right thing. We are going to work together with the families that are here. Tukifika hapo, ninajua nitaongea na Rigiji. Tuone vile mambo itakuwa na president. There is nothing better than to have a president and a deputy president who love the youth. And I know they love you very much. And they want to change this. Lakini lazima hata sisi tujisaidie, si ndio? Tukiambiwa tuende hapo TVET, tuanze mkuje hapo. Sasa TVET zinakaa, hakuna mtu wa kusomeshwa, hakuna kazi inaendelea hapo. Tutaanza hata the president amesema digital hubs zianzishwe hapo. Si tuingie hapo na tuanze online jobs. Si kuosha tu, kuosha gari ni mzuri. Lakini sasa hata tuingie mahali ingine. Ndio wale, kwa sababu tuko wengi na tupate ajira sawa sawa kila mahali. And I was being told here, sadly, that in Kiambu, we are burying two people, two young men, every week. This is not acceptable. It must stop. Kanati gwatumia. Maundu maya no muhaka marugame. It must stop today. We can't watch. Mundu utari na wira ungi wa kuruta athi agethe no ndakuraga ciana citu. Hende ria ciana igiri irathikwo o kiumia ri no gacoka guciriukia. Na gutire hindi tungikira turi a manyina tokire twirorere andu moke mahe ciana citu poison. Mashoke moige maheagwo license neguo morage ciana citu. Ne twarega. Mundu angiremwo ni kuruta wira ungiri amenye uria gwika tondu ni tuguka na ni tukupambana nao. They are not going to kill our children anymore.